Hello again, and welcome to the vlog. I'm sorry there's not much vintage at the moment over the winter, but that's because weather, light, neither too good really. But I promise as soon as we get more light, I'll be showing you more vintage. In the meantime, I'm still vlogging, but I'll be interested to know, shall I just start up a new channel for my vlog? I mean, do you really hate seeing seeing the vlog, all the personal stuff? Because I notice the views are very few if it's me, about me vlogging, whereas I get more views if I'm showing you a flea market or something like that. So I still don't know what to do. I still don't know whether I need to just start up a new channel or just carry on vlogging on here as well as showing the vintage. So let me know. Hello. So I've been making my friend's birthday present. You see me if I sit down. It's a bit if I sit down. No, I've been making my friend's birthday present. Just been faffing about the labels. It's like pain in the arse. See how they're not centered? Took ages. Anyway, finally, I got one sort of centered. Anyway, so this is the final thing. You can see it's kind of burning out, isn't it? It's like you kind of see it. The light there. Anyway, oh, it smells so nice. I hope she likes it. So what I did is I went on to Wiki Perfume and found the kind of essential ingredients used. Obviously, I didn't have them all, so I had a selection of them, and obviously I don't know the formula either. So anyway, so I did a video, when did I make it? A couple of days ago, and I've got some on at the moment. Oh, it's really lovely. It's really lovely. So, fingers crossed. So we're going for an Indian tomorrow, and I shall present it to her then, but I hope she likes it. So, yeah. So that's that. It's a hand cream. Anyway, so yeah, so I've been having fun making perfume and smellies. I absolutely slathered myself when I went to bed last night in the one that I made for myself. I don't know where I'm looking. I don't know where is it there? Let me see. Oh crap it is. Anyway, yeah, that's it for now. Oh, actually, before I go, so this was a box of stuff, and I got the moisturising cream from Fresh Skin, and then I can just add the smellies to that. I also got some almond oil, but I think I'm going to make the like the roller bottle perfumes with jojoba oil. So I've written what's in. So these are the essential, my latest batch of essential oils. So I shall be mixing up. I managed to buy 2 of sandalwood by accident, so that was a bit of a fail. I could have bought something else, couldn't I? The same price. So that's them. And then of course I've already got like my other batch of, which is probably the same amount I've already got in my other container. But anyway, so I'll be adding my concoction to make some smellies. So when they've dried, It's a bit dark at the moment. If it lightens up, probably tomorrow, I'll do a video tomorrow on actually making stuff. Rubber gloves, roulette, perfume bottles, some groovy jars that I've just bought, and these little pots. They've all just been sterilised and are now drying, but they've got little lids and little toppers that go on them. You see, can't really see if I can burn my bit. They've got these little inner lids, main lids, and then the little bit that goes over them. So once these are dry, I'm going to give them a spray with isopropyl, or whatever it is that I've got, and so they'll be nicely sterilised. And then I've bought some cream from the supplier, so it's kind of like ready-made cream thing, so I don't have to make that from scratch. And I'm going to then add some scents to it. I'll show you the cream in a minute. So the washing machine's finally stopped, and I've made the one for my friend, which smells absolutely lovely. It's not anything that I would have done for myself, but it turns out it smells really, really gorgeous. And the one I'm making for myself has got rose Maroc, which is incredibly expensive. I also use that in my friend as well. Cedar wood, musk, sandalwood, patchouli, and I'm just about to put in some bergamot. Oh, that's nice, refreshing. And some lang-a-lang, lang-a-lang-a-ding-dong. I use this in so many things. When I made my hand spray for the shop, you know, during the times, I had this in. Come on out. One, I'll put 2 in that. I'm just putting either 1 or 2 drops in at the moment, just till I've got a nice kind of, see what it smells like. And then this is violet. Put 2 drops of that in. I'll put 2 drops of, no, 1 drop of bergamot. Right, so let me just count what I've got. So I've got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just to make sure that I can put 20 drops in these, this size. So I don't want to go over that. And I've sterilised everything with rubbing alcohol. So the jars and everything went through. First of all, I sterilised with sterilising powder, left them to soak, and then rinsed that off, and then I sprayed everything with the rubbing alcohol just to give it an extra clean. Top tip, while I was spraying these, my roller bottles, I managed to drop one on the floor, so now I've only got 3. Oh, and they were quite expensive as well. Let's see. Oh, that smells nice. So basically, I went on Wiki Perfume, and it gives you the ingredients for all your you know, brand scents, and the one I wear is discontinued. So, and I don't have all the technical, you know, perfumier scents. It's like a something oil, and they've all got, you know, chemically names. And I haven't got a lot of those. I've only got kind of like this, what I can get, essential oils. And some of the more expensive ones are like, kind of like 75 quid for a bottle that size. So yeah, I won't be getting those. So I've got the ones I can afford basically. And I'm just going to kind of make do and see what I can make. That smells very, right, overriding smell is the, well, not overriding, but the strong smell is violet. So I'll put 2 drops of that in. Then what else can I smell? What does it need? Oh, I love that. Vetiver. So gorgeous. My recipe doesn't actually call for this, but have I missed anything? Oh, I don't know. It is quite nice. No, I think I'll ruin it if I put the bergamot in, the vetiver in, because that's really strong. Does it need? Definitely doesn't need violet. It's got enough of that. Maybe another drop of the musk. That's 3 of that, so putting them in order so I know. And give it a good stir for a long time. I'm stirring for longer than I will video, basically, because otherwise it's just going to be boring for you. Well, it might be boring anyway. Yeah, that's quite nice, actually. So what have I done? I've done 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 16 drops. What's that? Do I want the pepper in there? What else have I got? No, I'm gonna. Oh. Or maybe I'm gonna put 1 drop of oud in. Come on, little oud. There we go. You took your time. Right, so they're 1 drops. Oh look, I wasted a drop. Flipping heck. Well, it doesn't smell like my perfume, but it does smell nice. But I don't think I'll put any more drops in, because I think I'm missing the vital ingredients, if you see what I mean. There was certain florals that I don't have. Right, so I'll carry on mixing that, and then I'll make some of the oil later. I need to get up and find what I've done with the oil and get a funnel and stuff. But yeah, and then I need to order some labels that will go through my thermal printer, and then put a label on it, give it a name, and then give it to my friend. It's for her birthday. Hope she likes it. Right, so that's it in the alchemist's nose kitchen. See you later. But then I was also watching some like small business scent makers on YouTube. They were having like a discussion